Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And my people, I have a very interesting topic for you today. And me I go tell some people why certain things happen. And we are going to touch Canada, America, England in a 3 separate videos. But today, this video is specifically for Canada. People, why Canada woman always have to go to Jamaica go look man? Why is it that the Canadian woman them, even when them get hurt, heartbroken, the man them scam them, they carry the man them a find and the man them give them bun and all kind of sitting. Why is it that the Canadian woman them always head back to Jamaica and look man? And why is it that Canada woman always a try find a man outside of them country? What is the reason behind all of that? Even after all of the things that me outline, where a lot of Canadian woman face because them gone elsewhere gone look a man. Well, me people, me I go break it down for you right now. You see, since of 2016, the statistics is there for sure that you have more single household than anything else in Canada. You hear me I say, it has been growing since 2016. So what that mean to you? No for the woman them don't have no man in Canada. Why they don't have any man in Canada? Because the population of Canada is aging. And Canada is a big wide place. I want to think. The woman them no want tailpipe whistling at them hold me and squeeze me too. Oh, some of you don't know what that is. Many me ask, J Progress, what is tailpipe? Well, tailpipe is that part of organ in a man which is each and upon the man body which extend, and when blood flow to it, it lift up and tough like a iron. And when him hold a woman, that the woman in a problem, that is the tailpipe. J Progress, where you call hold me and squeeze me. Well, hold me and squeeze me is that part of the woman body where clack up like a so between her two legs, and when the man hold her with the tailpipe, that is the entry point, and then from there miracle happens. So now we do not lose focus what is tailpipe and what is hold me and squeeze me. Alright. So my people, what if a thing happen to foreign, so to no foreign woman? Canada woman na uno right now. Canada we are talking about right now. You see right now in Canada, more man did it than woman. And I don't know if the climate in Canada, but it come like the man them tailpipe scribble down and soft up, so the Canadian woman them want sitting tough and harder. So when them go to the tropical country right now, that is why anytime you hear them go Jamaica, Africa, anywhere like that, and the man they put on the tailpipe on them, next thing you know, married, gone then gone and sitting because they have never felt nothing like that in them whole life. You hear me I say? But the problem and the question still begs. When they go ahead and do that and bring the man go here and there, the man them disrespect them. The man them cheap on them. The man them scam them. The man them use them, but yet still, why doesn't stop this Canadian woman from still want the man them from certain country? Another thing again, the man them at Canada don't show the woman them no respect. Them get more respect from the man them from the other country, because the man them from the other country, whether them just a use style, like them a tell her not, them treat them like a queen. Because the difference is, when one of them Canadian woman, they go say for example Jamaica, and really find a man from Jamaica will love her and check for her, that man treat her like a queen, but they don't get that in Canada from the original Canadian man them. Why? I'm going to tell you why now. You see, from as far back as 1974, There was a time when woman in Canada, there was no equality between women. And some man still carry on that up to 2024 right now. Them don't have no respect for certain women and them look down upon certain women in Canada. So because of that, in 1974, we have that time when woman wasn't equal to man. So woman could even get a credit card, could even get credit opportunity. They could even pass. If they were unmarried, they were a single woman who not married and them something, they can't even get a credit card. Them can't even get a mortgage. In order to get them in a mortgage or anything like that, them have to get them father for co-sign money. So this is one of the reasons why some man in Canada now still look down upon woman. But guess what? When the woman them got the Caribbean or wherever, first thing, the man tell them say them a queen. Them a princess. Them are them life. Them are them soul. Them are the oxygen where them breathe. Everything. So of course it a go conquer the woman. Because she not get that from the Canada man. And we can't look past it. The woman them know them not get the tailpipe nowhere else that good than from the man them when they go pick up say a Jamaica or Africa or somewhere. That is why even though no matter where them go through, them can't stop. And me people, there is facts to show that they have done in 2022 that there is a lot of single people in Canada. And you know the funny thing? There are more single man than women in Canada. But guess what? And more the woman them a go look man. Because they don't want the man them in Canada. You understand? And an interesting fact for you guys who don't know. You see the city of Quebec in Canada, it have the most single females. So for the man them, if you don't want a woman, if you don't run off for the farm work, if not now go and feel in Canada, and them sitting there, you don't go on a Quebec go look a woman. Because a whole heap of single woman there at Quebec just a wait for a man. And then I really want the Canada man them. So when you go there as a little Caribbean, Jamaica man or wherever you come from, remember me tell you, I feel your woman that. And you now have to ask enough for you whistle the tailpipe, you know. And done it done. You get to me I say? But one more interesting fact for you guys. Right? You see the same Quebec? Right? When you go there, no woman now pick and choose because they just want a man. But if you want to go to a place where you have the most woman per population, you have to go to Vancouver or Calgary. Yes, man. Vancouver, British Columbia, Calgary, Alberta. Yes, and them have the most woman in a them city. You hear me I say? So you don't know what go on in Canada. So since you know when I worry, what cause it? Number one, the woman them at Canada don't want the Canada man them. Because the woman them feel like the man them from other country treat them better than the Canada man them. Show them more respect. And can whistle the tailpipe even better. And no matter how no take it, every woman want to know say them hold me and squeeze me, service properly. And that this is one of the reasons. But, not because you see a woman single, mean say, XYZ, me I go give you an interesting fact now. Did you guys know, right, that a single woman live way longer than a married woman? Why? Them have less stress in them life. Yes, man. They are more empowered because they can focus on themselves and motivate themselves and do things of their free will. And they are more healthier. Them take care of themselves more because they can just focus on them. And them always feel like, say, them have to look good just in case that person come along. So they take care of their body. A woman them married sometimes just choke themselves and do the whole thing. Because they say, me already taken. Me married already, me not look nobody. So that's a very interesting fact for you guys. So guys, I have broken down to you guys. Why even do I want to ask the question, why them money always go to Jamaica? And the man them at Jamaica use them, then just use them for visa, them just use them for this, them just use them for that, but yet still and still gone, they gotta look the man them. No! It is a lot deeper than that. And if you think a lie, listen back the video a second time and you will get all of the facts them behind it. Believe me when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man, you not have to ask nobody nothing and nobody not have to tell you nothing. A 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.